Welcome back, y'all. Y'all know I gotta crunch before I go to bed. I done took my shower. Try to be respectful here. Still have my... It's getting on down there. I'm bad. You know she's bad. Let's see what I got. This right here been in the fridge for, let's see, I think probably about 2 weeks now, 3 weeks almost. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, y'all. I got so much stuff that I need to do. I found my keys, so maybe this will help me. Within the point of opening, I should have got a knife. This might not open. It might be too frozen. I feel like I'm gonna have to get a knife, y'all. Hold on. Wait just 1 minute. I've been up wiping stuff down, as you know, and juicing. Okay, I'm back. Got me a knife. Sorry about that. I don't even know where to start. All I know is I'm ready to crunch. Let's see. If I don't stab myself first. Sounds squeaky already. Sounds squeaky already. Let's see what we got. I don't know why I'm up so late. I do know why I'm up so late. When I get to thinking and be stagnant and stuff, I need to be writing. You know, that's what I really need to be doing. Anyway, when I get to thinking, my mind just won't relax. And I can't go to sleep. I done took a shower. I'm gonna clean up the bathroom. Clean around the toilet. You know, do that. I have to do that. Like having a husband or a man in the house, sometimes I tell you, it gets kind of rough. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I like for my bathroom to be clean. Like, my kitchen has to be clean and my bathroom has to be clean. But, let's see what we got here. Got a little something. Something. So, I'm going to take this here and add it into my little jug here. Oh, look there. Look what we have here. Bust it down, Tatiana. Bust it down. Yeah, the outside, it was in there and it was frozen. Like even some of my vegetables, my fruits that I had in there in the refrigerator. I'm going to have to turn that freeze down some. Turn it up some because it's freezing everything. So, I want it to freeze, but I don't want it to freeze like that. Now, we got some rocks over here. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, yeah. Sometimes when you be seeing it like that right there, it make you want to sing something. Say something. I got too much energy to be. Now, I did have a smoothie today. And I don't know what it done. What it done. And we went on a date earlier. Out riding. Y'all, we need some good steady rain. I keep telling y'all that. We need to do the Indian dance or something. Like it rains in spots and stuff. I've been talking more about one of the things that I wanted to do in my hometown is I would like for my hometown to have a bed and breakfast. Wouldn't that be nice? Like we should just think of just seeing stuff on television. We should want it in real life. Look at that mountain of loveliness. Let's see what we got. Let's be quiet. That was hard. I could tell that it was in there in the fridge for a while, in the freezer for a while. That's pretty good. Thin like a potato chip. Munch, munch, munch. That's good. For a minute there, I was daydreaming. Sorry. About how good it tastes. Got my big ladle spoon. What I'm gonna do is add it to my jug. Mountain of goodness. All right, I can't put that in there. This is good. I usually let it sit out till tomorrow in the morning. That's what I do yesterday. I'll deliver in the morning. So I'm gonna cut this baby short so I can be on the road again. I can't make it to my destination till I get on the road again. Yeah, I'm country. Oh, look at this one. Have some? Psych. That wasn't so crunchy, but it just looked good. So why waste it? Filling my jug back up. I could probably live off of cornstarch. But it say it don't have no type of nutrients in it. It's really bad for us. I don't know what's been going on with the YouTube here lately. Like, sometimes they ask you about restrictions and then sometimes they don't. No. Being like a disclaimer or something. No, I mopped last night. Probably need to mop again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And check out my podcast. I thought my husband had snuck behind me. Podcast on Anchor, Spotify, and wherever else that you might listen. You can, some healthy, good topics on there, just day-to-day living, things that I've been through, things that worked out for me, and ways it worked out for me, things dealing with stress, other stuff, day-to-day living, you name it. I talk about some of everything. I said I need to get to the point of more viewers. I'm trying to get more viewers up. So y'all check out my podcast on Anchor or Apple, Spotify, and wherever you like to listen. But until then, got that back down. You know this is a pizza pan, right? I was thinking about trying to make a homemade vegan pizza. Who's to say? It might work. It might work. So I'm back up. See that? Let's drink a little water. So y'all, I juiced earlier for my breakfast in the morning, which we don't like to have. That we don't usually have, but we're having it in the morning. And, or daybreak, because it's already 8 a.m. And, y'all, excuse my head. I was supposed to go get my hair did, but I was in a funky mood, and I had therapy, and it was just a bad day. I ain't gonna say it was a bad day. It was me. And so I don't like to put off negative energy towards other people. So I have to do what I have to do and try to stay in. Capiche? You understand? But other than that, y'all don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next week, peace.